All that noise up there, that's not normal. Oh my gosh, what am I doing up so early and what's the issue? The AC is bringing in outside dirt and it is clogged. And I have been listening to this all night long. Because this kind of stuff happens at night, right? Let's take the shroud off. Actually, before I take the shroud off, we'll turn it off and you'll hear the difference. Silence. Oh, I've been dealing with this horrible sound all night. I tried to turn it on fan, but Texas is just, when you're in the 80s at night, it doesn't make a whole lot of difference. Look at all that filth. This is bad. Let's take the cover off. I have a slug I found. It works really well. There's little grooves in this thing, and it works really well on releasing this cover. Okay, let's get the flashlight and look up inside. Squirrel cage. It's dirty. Oh, I may not be able to see this. No, I don't think you'll be able to see this. Up inside there, I can see how filthy the fins are. I bought one of those fin comb things. Where is it? Locked up in the Silver Streak. When the Silver Streak has a broken door. Okay, so what does this involve for me today? Pair of rubber boots. Why the rubber boots? Because we've had a water leak here. And the grass is high and the ground is flooded. I came through on my tennis shoes and fire ants attacked me. One of those days. This day's not starting out well. However, this Twinkie's beside me, right? The roof is absolutely filthy on it. It's in the triple digits. There's no way I'm going to get up there and wash it. Especially with this flooding going on, I can't wash it anyhow. I'd like to wash the motorhome, can't even do that. But my new roof vent looks good, right? And the roof vent I put on this one looks good. Okay, so supplies needed for this job. Camera equipment really not necessary unless you're a videographer. Okay. The bag to bring the stuff up with. Drinks. Got water and Coke, of course, because I have to have my caffeine. Phone. Go up on the roof with the phone. Always have a phone on you. Tennis shoes. Don't wear sandals. Wear sensible shoes that you have better traction with. My little sweat towel. Paper towels. I took my reading glasses just in case. Gloves. Because I have cut myself on the AC fins. This is my little AC cleaning kit. It's a baby bottle brush, little brushes to clean out little areas with, and these kind of brushes. So I use that just for my AC cleaning kit. Tools, because I'm going to have to get screws and stuff off. And towels. Under the camera bag are towels. So, let's take this shroud off. Let's get started. Okay, so we got to take this off. Unscrew these screws. And safely lay them somewhere. I'll get them all off first. Put them over here for safety keeping. Okay. I'm already. It's been a rough night. Sometimes this just lifts right off. Let's hope I can get it right off. Yes. Oh. You can already see how filthy it is. Oh, dear. Look at that. The rubber on this is wearing out. Okay. Ouch. Okay, cover's off. Set it aside. Now I have to undo all these screws over here. So what I have to do is take all these panels off. So I will take all these off, this side, and we'll get down to the bones of this thing. On this end, we have these little tabs that hold the shroud down. There's little screws under those, but make sure that they're facing the right direction when you reassemble. Okay, set these aside in a safe place. All of my screws are in one little pile on top of a towel so they can't roll away. This screw is has no real purpose. Other than the fact it doesn't want to come out, has no real purpose. It doesn't even connect to anything. I don't get it. I don't know. This is a Coleman air conditioner. RV roof air conditioner, of course, but I don't know what model. It's a 15,000 BTU unit, which is nice because everybody else is suffering in the heat here with the bigger RVs, because we've been in the triple digits this week. But this thing will freeze me out. Okay, so let's see if we can take this apart. Okay, it comes off in one big piece. And some people would feel safer flipping their breaker, turning everything off, unplugging their RV even. But I have done this before without having to do all that. So there you go. There goes a side panel. And there we go. We're pretty much stuck to gunk here, I think. I don't know what we're stuck to. I'm just going to leave it though. It's okay. That is really dirty, folks. Oh, this is why the RV gets so filthy inside. We've been, we went from a drought, kind of like a drought, and all the dust, because our road around here is dirt. So all the dust and all the such that the winds and cars and such kick up really make a mess. So the reason for the towels, I stuffed them inside of here because I will be using water. And that helps keep, because this opens right down inside of the RV. So as I'm cleaning and such, it'll help keep some of that stuff from going inside. Okay, now we're gonna open up my brushes. The baby bottle brush right here. I'm gonna sit down here and get to work. Oh goodness. I did a video of this several years ago. But now you can really see how filthy these things get. I can't say several years ago. I think this AC is about 4 years old. So But this is what I do. I just clean, clean, clean. And the bottle brush works well because it doesn't disturb the fins. Doesn't break them down. Okay, fortunately, I had some simple green in my RV, in my motorhome. I probably should put another towel here. I'll use the one I'm using to lean on. And also, I put a tarp on my floor inside the RV because I forgot to do that the last time I cleaned this thing. I have carpeting. It got wet. Okay, so we're going. Made the dogs bark. Yeah, you know, I'm just so crazy. I bought this a while ago. I lost it, so I had to buy another one. I put it where it belonged. I couldn't find it. I guess I couldn't remember where it belonged. And the wind is kicking up, which is good, actually. Okay, lots of simple green on there. Let it soak through a little bit. Okay, I'm going to try to spray it a little bit. I just sprayed a whole bunch of simple green into this. Oh yeah, that's what we need to do. Oh my gosh, all kinds of gunk and dirt's coming out of there now. Okay, so I'm going to continue to do this and try not to flood my RV. Oh my gosh. So I'll keep working at cleaning this thing. Okay, so I used a lot of simple green and water and used the brush. Cleaned that up as much as I want to for now. Can't leave this AC off too terribly long because I've got the dogs inside. Just going to take a paper towel and just kind of wipe off these really dirty edges here. Lift this back up, pull it back out. Okay, so down here is a track where the AC drains into, and these are the drain holes down in here. There's one on each side. Yep. I'm gonna go get the hose and hose that track out there. Okay, if you look down here, you will see the slime, and it is nasty stuff. My rubber roof needs a little work there too. That is nasty stuff. Yeah, that builds up in this track here, and it clogs the drain holes. Okay, we're gonna clean out more slime out of the track. Yuck, 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 yuck. Yuckity yuck, yuck. Oh, guess what? The brush finally came out. Okay, now I gotta unclog the hole on this side because it got clogged up. There we go. It's draining through. I'm gonna find the hole on the other side. Why can't I find it? Not good if those holes get clogged up. That can cause the water to drain inside of your RV. Come on, Mike. I forgot I was using the lavalier mic. Such a professional here. Jeez. Okay, so that drain hole is now opened up. Can't seem to find the other drain hole. This also, after a while, it just eats away at the rubber roof. Where is that other hole? Oh, it's over here. Okay. It's not. Okay. It's not at the end of this channel here. It's over on the other side. Where the electrical is, of course. And it's clear. Okay. A little bit more blasting. And it's draining, fortunately. And it is filthy. See if it's draining out of this other. RV's not sitting level, so no, it's not draining out of the other side like I'd like it to. But oh well. Hey, I'll clean these things too on this side. This side's not bad though. Be careful. Don't smash the fins there. I'd like to say that channel's pretty clean, but it's not. There's still gunk in there. And very little room to work in. Okay, hit it again. That ought to get it. Channel's blocked up again. There we go. Yeah, those things gets really slimy. Let's get all this water out of it. I wish my motorhome were working. Darn transmission. This is really inconvenient. Of course, I need new tires too. She's been sitting because the transmission broke though. I can go forward, I can't go backward. So as soon as I save up the money, get her in a shop, get it fixed. Okay. Let me stick something down there, towel. I don't have an extra towel now. I've used up all my towels. Soak it up with paper towels, I guess. I don't want to use my sweat rag. Okay. We'll get this cleared out. And then in here is the squirrel cage. I'm not going to be able to show you because it's dark. And I can't move this over any further, but I'm going to attempt to clean out the squirrel cage with some of these brushes too. Okay, so I got the track all cleaned out in here. And this area is cleaned out. I'm going to put it all back together. The wind is helping me. It's helping dry it out some. Then I can take the towels out. Finish cleaning this section up over here with some of my wet paper towels. And then I'll work on the other end. Easy enough. Inspecting everything. The track is nice and clean now. Let's get these things out of there. Let's get my towels out. Okay, not too bad. I didn't make too much of a mess down there. Kind of wipe this out a bit from up here because I can't wipe it out from the inside. Make everything tidy and clean again. It seems I've picked a good day to do this. The wind is kicking up, so it'll dry everything that I've done over here, and I still need to do this section here. Put my gloves back on. Fortunately, my hose has not jumped off the roof yet. Hoses like to do that. That's why I like to use these cloth ones. The rubber ones are really hard to fight with. Okay, so I'm going to pull out these leaves and stuff under here. Yeah, let's get this brush. Just kind of clear it out a little bit. And yeah, this side can get wet because this is the side that the weather hits anyhow. Yeah, this side's much cleaner, much cleaner. But the other side, I guess, is the intake. This is the outtake. The intake's gonna get a lot dirtier. Spray it again. Hopefully she'll be as good as new. This is a 2014 AC. I moved here in April 2014. A couple months after I moved here, my old Carrier air conditioner gave out. So I had to buy this one and have it installed. But, you know, got to keep it maintained. If you don't keep it maintained, you're going to have some problems down the road. You're going to end up having to buy a new one. I'm not ready to buy a new one. I just bought one for the Twinkie. And I would hate to have to take that one and put it on this rig. Okay, I've got her all back together again. I cleaned out the inside of our AC cover, and I'm going to put the AC cover back on now and then get my stuff off the roof and rinse off the roof. Okay, here we go. I'm tired. Okay, got her done. Whew, that's a job. Okay, so I'm gonna rinse off the roof, rinse the gunk off the roof, rinse out the leaves out of my awning track, and be done with it. Okay, roof is rinsed off, the awning track is rinsed off where all those gunky leaves were. AC is now cleaned, and gonna take my stuff down off the roof, go inside, turn on the AC. Hopefully that's all it needed, was just a good cleaning. Okay, yeah, it's hot in here. Let's get this thing on. Oh. It did the trick. Woo! That was a lot of work, but it did the trick. I know you're hot, sweetheart. I'm sorry. I am so sorry. Oh. Oh my goodness. What is it in here? I've got crap all over the place now. Oh my goodness. What does this say? 90 degrees in here. It's pretty warm. Let's cool Salty down. Everybody else seems to be fine, but Salty gets hot, so I'm gonna cool him down. Check that out. Who knew? Wow, let's turn off this box. Huh. Holy moly, who knew? Okay, it's cooling down in here. Salty's cool now. It's already dropped to 87 degrees within the last few minutes. It is 92 degrees outside. So, one more thing to do. Salty's cool now. Everybody's good. One more thing to do. Okay, the last thing I have to do is wash these towels in my little outdoor washing machine, which is really cool. But I think I will close it up, cover it with a tarp for now until this passes. So it looks like we're fixing to get a storm. Finished just in time. So, yes, sprinkling. So I'm going to cover the washing machine and go take a shower. I need a shower. So, thanks for watching. And yeah, I wouldn't ordinarily do this in mid-August, but I had no choice. So thank goodness it is done now. Look, let me see if I can find them. There's bananas on the banana tree. Look at that. Where's that pod? I can't see it through the lens. There we go. Ah, the wind's blowing it. Okay, blowing it from my sight. Banana.